Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Rajendra from Pixel Layers. Today we will discuss how to use blending option to replace the sky in Photoshop. So in this video, first of all, I'll edit this image and later section I'll explain how the blending option works. So first of all, let's import one image of a sky. Just go to File, Open, choose the image and hit Open. So you can see the sky image is opened inside a new tab. So how to bring this image inside the working document? To bring this sky image inside the document, just go to the layer, hit left mouse button, drag it over the working window and release it where it is required. Hit OK. So after that you can resize this image as per the requirement. So I'll show a different technique to do the same thing. So before that, just delete the imported layer. So now instead of going to File, Open, just choose Place Embedded. So this will open the Open dialog. Then choose the image and hit Place. So now you can see the image is opened inside the working window. So now you can place it. So before that, just I wanted to show one more thing. So in this working image, you can see the sunlight is coming from this side and this is hitting the subject's head as well. And in this image, the sun is somewhere here. So first of all, to bring this sun to this side so that it will match our environment. So how to do this? So to flip this image, go to Edit, Transform and then hit Flip Horizontal. So in this way the sun comes to this side. Then place the image where it is required. I think this place is fine. And then make sure the sky layer is selected. Then go to the blending option and choose the blending as darken. So now you can see the sky image is replaced properly. So obviously you can do further improvement by working on different areas, but just to give you a quick idea, I have shown this. So now how this blending option works. To show you, I am creating a new layer. For time being, just hide these two options. Choose brush tool, go to the color picker, select any color you like, hit OK and then paint it. I'm just making the blending mode as a normal. Then you select a different color, hit OK and then paint it over here. So you can see where the color overlaps, the resultant color is blue. The color is not mixing. So what blending mode darken does is, if you make this blending option as darken and then paint it, now you can see the difference. Here you can see the color is bit darker, but here it is blue. So just to see it clearly, you can see this. If you select this color, so everywhere the channel information is same, 927 and 121 in this blue, right? But here it is 927, 21, 121. Sorry, 927 and 121. And if you choose here, you can see blue became 87. So what happened here? So you can see this color here. Red is 209, green is 27, and blue is 87. So if you look into the blue channel, for this color, blue channel contains the value 121. For this color, blue channel contains value 87. So which is lesser? 87 is lesser, because here it is 87 and here it is 121. So 87 is lesser. So the resultant value is blue channel is 87. Similarly, for other channels, you can see here red is 209, but in this color red is 9. So which is lesser? 9 is lesser. So in this resultant you can see red channel is 9. Similarly, for green channel, here green is 27, and in blue also green is 27. So the resultant is 27. So this is how the darkening blending option works. So in our case, what happens, if you see this image and use the color picker tool and take the sample of this, you can say red, green and blue all are 253 in any places. Few places it may vary here and there, but everywhere it is above 240, right? And if you see the sky image, use the color picker. So here you can see all red, green and blue, everywhere it is near about 150 or less than 200, right? That means if you blend this image with the background image, so what will be the resultant value for each channel? So resultant value for each channel will be chosen from this image. Why? Because in this image all channels contains a lesser value than the background image, right? So that is why the sky image is replaced with the background white image. And similarly, if you choose this color, you can see red, green and blue is almost about 90, 97, 97, 90, and here blue is more than 100. So obviously this green is lesser than this blue image values. So that is why green is not replaced with the sky image. So you got the point, right? I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe. Thank you.